Hey guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. So your Epson ET-2760 is printing the streaks, faded color, or maybe not printing certain colors at all? If yes, that's your sign for a power cleaning. And don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the entire power cleaning process step by step. And hey, if you need immediate help or have any questions, feel free to call the support numbers shown on the screen. So without any further ado, let's get those print heads back in perfect shape. First of all, turn off your printer by pressing the power button and then pressing the OK button. Once your printer is completely off, press and hold the power and question button together until the LCD panel lights up. Now, the printer will ask if you want to run the power cleaning. Just press the OK button to move forward. After that, the power cleaning process will begin. This process can take up to 10 minutes to complete. When the power cleaning is complete, a screen will appear and tell that the printing quality will improve after 12 hours. Finally, click on the OK button to finish the process. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.